Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about CROcoin, Crypto.com, and the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Guys, it's officially here, and Crypto.com is the exclusive crypto sponsor for this huge event, and everybody is talking about it, which is very exciting. But the prices are not going up, and it leaves me wondering why. It might leave you wondering why as well. So I thought about it a little bit today, and I want to talk a little bit about what's going on, what we might expect here during the World Cup. Are we going to get a bump in price from this FIFA World Cup? And also looking at some of the FUD going on in the Crypto.com community, some exchange delistings for CRO. So quite a bit to cover. We're going to jump into the content. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos for you guys every single day. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. We're currently at almost 5,000 subscribers, so we're about halfway there. Make sure you don't miss out on that. Guys, looking at these charts for the day, you've currently got a Bitcoin price of $16,500 and Ethereum below 1,200, coming down a little bit. ETH especially. Now, there is some fear in the market. Perhaps you guys have heard about the FTX hacker that had 300 and something thousand Ethereum that became, I think, like the 35th biggest wallet holder for Ethereum, and people are scared that it might crash the crypto market and Ethereum. Well, you know what? It might be a little sell-off from it, but it's certainly not going to crash the entire market. It's not going to kill ETH. It will not be an Ethereum killer because of all the value that is locked up in the Ethereum blockchain. Just like CRONOS with our TVL on the DeFi ecosystem for CRONOS, it ain't going anywhere. Ethereum is most certainly not going anywhere, but we are still seeing some selling pressure right now. Getting into these traditionally November, December are bullish, but looks like the opposite's happening right now. There was a big event here with FTX, and I still think we're seeing the effects of that crash. I don't think it's so much this 345,000 Ethereum or so that's crashing this. I think people will buy it up as soon as it's sold. If anything, any FUD that gets us lower prices is a good thing, in my opinion, at this point, because I do believe in a 2024-2025 bull run. But looking at CRONOS coin right now, CRONOS is currently at 6.5 cents and falling a little bit lower. And, we were hopeful, guys. FIFA World Cup, we were hopeful that this would provide more bullish momentum, get us up to that 13-cent level. And it's certainly not over, and we could have a spike up overnight in an instant. But we do have some FUD coming out about Crypto.com right now. But in conjunction with that, Joe Biden today came out and led a critical call for game-changing global Bitcoin and crypto rules aftershock from the FTX collapse. So I really think that none of the Crypto.com FUD, I don't think that's causing any issues with Crypto.com and the price action right now. I think this story is a little more important. And I think that people are just getting scared. You look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything's falling right now because I believe of this story. I think this is what's causing the markets to fall, because the more that the government gets involved, the more that people get scared. But what you need to realize is that, guys, we are still in the infancy of crypto. Shout out to my buddy, Uncle Mark. I told you I'd be shouting you out today. I talked with him on the phone earlier today, a good friend of mine, and he made an excellent analogy where he referenced the Oregon Trail, and this is the trailblazing times. This is a huge land grab, and anybody that gets into crypto right now is ahead of the wave of adoption. You think about it, guys, this is just like that. People are going out, they're getting their crypto now before the government regulates it, standardizes it, make it a thing. Because once the government gives their stamp of approval and they regulate it, right then and there is the time where everybody in society will go, oh, the government regulated? Well, now it's time for me to get in. And if you're getting in when everybody's getting in, well, then you've arguably missed the boat. And you do not want to miss that opportunity. Grab your piece of land right now. Shout out to Uncle Mark on that one. It's a great point, guys, because this shows you that we are coming towards regulation, and this is what people are scared of. But at the end of the day, this is what we need to drive global Bitcoin and crypto adoption, because then everybody will say, hey, government says it's okay, time to get in. And that's when you'll see true crypto adoption and the massive price gains that we've been looking for this entire time, guys. So great point there. But, I think this is the reason why the markets are currently falling a little bit. Another thing I wanted to point out is that right now, People are talking about this. Smaller cryptocurrencies may have to be delisted to protect consumers. And this is something that CNBC is actually quoting that Chris Marsliak said when he did an interview a couple of days on CNBC. And it's an interesting point. But what's crazy to think is just a few days later, we are getting some of these delistings. An announcement from Poloniex, they are going to delist CRO on August 30th. They have about 500,000 followers on Twitter. It's a smaller exchange, but it's certainly something to make note of. Honestly, I talked about the Huobi global delisting the other day. I think this is a really bullish event for Crypto.com. At the end of the day, I think people that want to hold CRO will bring their CRO to the place where they feel safe to hold it, and Crypto.com could be that place. And then they might get integrated into the Crypto.com ecosystem, and then they might increase the total value locked up in the CRONOS DeFi projects as well. So guys, Poloniex is delisting. It's a smaller exchange. Don't worry about it. Shrug it off. BingX, same thing. BingX is very, very small. They are delisting a couple tokens, including CRO. The headline doesn't include that, but if you look at the details, they are delisting CRO. CoinJar is allegedly delisting 14.4K followers. So these are non-events, folks. Poloniex is the biggest one, but again, I'm not worried about this. And when you look at PolonieX's Twitter actually right now, what are they focusing on? You see this? It's the football, it's soccer, it's the World Cup. But guys, who's got the partnership with the World Cup? Who's got the partnership with the World Cup? We know the answer, folks. It is Crypto.com. Look at this. This FIFA World Cup, Crypto.com, Qatar. Guys, we're in a great spot. These listings are nothing. Nobody cares about these exchange delistings. If you like CRO, you're probably on Crypto.com anyway. If you like CRO, you're probably in the CRONOS DeFi ecosystem anyway. I love watching the Crypto.com army, this CRO fam, smashing up the like button on this video, first of all, but also smashing up the like button on everything that people are defending Crypto.com for on Twitter. When you see people spreading FUD on Twitter, I watch the CRO fam just pounce and just attack anybody that's coming after it, because we've got true cryptocurrency believers, guys. And just, you don't think that hey, FIFA World Cup, hey, why isn't it messing with the price? Why isn't the price going up? You don't think this is a big event? Well, look, first of all, it is. Look at all this ad campaign that they've got going on. It's fantastic. But getting in on the action is Binance even. Binance is trying to get in on this FIFA World Cup action. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the largest soccer players in the world, they put out an ad for him. A couple different ads. Here's one.
To the moon with Binance.
See, they couldn't help themselves. They had to get involved. But guys, Crypto.com was first to the party. Chris Marsliak was the first to do an AMA after the FTX crash. Binance followed. Crypto.com is the first one to get the sponsorship with the FIFA World Cup. Now, Binance is following and getting ads aired on the FIFA broadcasting. So, guys, it's a competition, and Crypto.com is in the race. And honestly, I think these exchange delistings are happening because these exchanges are scared, and they're trying to hurt the competition. The more FUD, the merrier. The more FUD, the stronger we'll be as a CRO fam all together. This CRONOS army is getting stronger, and we are getting more outspoken, and I love it. Looking at these prices, guys, I think we're falling down on account of this Joe Biden news and this G5 summit. I think that's pretty much what we're looking at. And folks, we're not looking for a bull market, a true bull market until 2024, 2025. It's how it goes in crypto, and you need to know that to stay alive. That's all I got today. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you guys right here. Make sure you check out our Patreon. We're going to put a link in the description down below. We're building a community, and we want you to be a part of it. We'll talk about more than just crypto, real estate, investing. You'll hear everything we got from me and my partner, Black Sea. Have a great night, guys. Peace.